Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm going to give a review on my most favorite face wash that I'm currently obsessed with, and I'm talking about the Organic Harvest 6-in-1 face wash. Well, it actually does a great job on my skin. It is such an amazing face wash. Like, you can't even imagine how much I'm in love with this face wash right now, because after applying this face wash, my skin just looks so much radiant and so much flawless, absolutely darkless. So it just sucks out all of the dirt that I have in my skin. So I thought, let me just share my honest review with you guys about this particular face wash from Organic Harvest. If you guys don't know about this particular brand Organic Harvest, let me just give you a small brief about this particular brand Organic Harvest. Well, they have an extensive, huge range of skincare, body care, hair care and essential oils. I'm going to link their website in the description box below. And this particular brand is also available in Nykaa, Flipkart, Amazon, Purple. Their products are absolutely natural and organic, and their products are derived from plants, and those plants are grown without any fertilizers, chemicals and pesticides. So in a thin line, Organic Harvest brand is absolutely eco-farm certified, plant derived, GMO free, vegan, recycled and cruelty free, plus they are toxicity free, paraben free and sulfate free. So now it's time to talk about the key ingredients of this particular face wash. So the first ingredient is dicyl glucoside, and dicyl glucoside is a very mild surfactant which is absolutely works as a mild cleanser, and it is also present in baby shampoo. So you can understand it is this particular cleansing agent is plant derived, and it is used on every single sensitive skin. So you won't face any problem with this particular face wash, because they have dicyl glucoside, which is absolutely a plant derived cleanser. The next key ingredient is witch hazel extract. Witch hazel extract, it reduces inflammation, it reduces acne problem, it tightens your pores, and it also cleans your skin nicely and just removes that excess oil that you have in your skin. The third key ingredient is daisy flower extract, and daisy flower extract carries that high concentration of exfoliating acids, which is absolutely plant derived, very much natural, not at all chemical. Plus it removes all the dark hyperpigmentation and the sun damages. It also helps to brighten up your skin, brings back your radiance into your skin, which is a great thing. Plus it also blocks the production of melanin. The fourth key ingredient is licorice extract, and it contains astringent properties which helps to remove all the problems that you have on your skin. Plus it will soothe your skin so nicely, it will make your skin so calm and so soft, will clear out every problems that you have in your skin. It also protects the antioxidant that you have in your skin. It also promotes radiance and brightness to your skin. Fifth and the last key ingredient that is present in this particular face wash is olive extract. It repairs damage, repairs the sun damage that we have in our skin, and removes all the inflammation, the problematic things that we have in our skin, nourishes our skin, hydrates our skin, just controls that aging, and also controls other harmful effects. Now let's move on towards their packaging part. So you can already see they comes in a very standard green color tube-like packaging with a white flip-top cap, and this is a very travel-friendly, as well as the quality of the packaging is very hardy and sturdy. This face wash claims that it removes excess oil, detoxifies, lightens and brightens your skin, nourishes and prevents moisture loss. This face wash is transparent in color and contains orange colored daisy flower extracts. It has a gel-like consistency which is quite a bit runny sort of a texture. Time to give you a small demo about this face wash, and let's see how to apply this face wash. So just take a pea-sized amount of face wash. It won't lather much because it is absolutely sulfate free and paraben free. Last but not the least, you can see my squeaky clean and brightened face. I'm so much happy with the result of this face wash. So my final verdict on this particular Organic Harvest 6-in-1 face wash is just top notch. It made my skin look so much radiant, hydrated, kept the moisture level intact. After using this face wash, I did not find my skin to be drying, which is the biggest positive part of this face wash. Plus it also brightened up my skin, lightened my skin, and gave a very squeaky clean sort of a look, which I really loved. As well as the main thing why I loved this face wash is the smell. The smell is so pleasant and so calm and relaxing. It has a floral sort of a smell, but it after applying this face wash, it will just drool over you. So I pretty love the smell of this face wash. So Organic Harvest 6-in-1 face wash really did a great job with this product. The Organic Harvest 6-in-1 face wash is 100 gram of product, and this is priced at rupees 225, which is super affordable. So the Organic Harvest 6-in-1 face wash is Life to the Power Infinity approved. I have purchased this particular product with my own money. Review video is absolutely honest and non-sponsored. Nobody has given me any payment to produce this content. So don't have that dilemma whether she's doing a sponsored video or non-sponsored video. So yes, I hope this video turned out to be the most informative and helpful video for you guys. And if you really enjoy watching me, then please give me thumbs up, like my channel, follow all of my social medias, like my Instagram and my Facebook page handle is here. If you really enjoyed, then please do subscribe my channel, because it means a lot to me. So thank you guys for watching me. Love you, take care, have fun, and just stay tuned with my next video. Bye.